If you have been told you can't get life insurance because of a pre-existing medical conditions, let me stop you right there. That's not true. In fact, I have just helped a client who survived lung cancer secure a life insurance policy when every other insurer said no. Hi, I'm Priyanka and I've spent the last 5 years helping Australians navigate the tricky world of life insurance, especially when it feels like all the odds are stacked against you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get covered, even if you've got a pre-existing condition. Stick around because this could be life-changing. I have worked with hundreds of Australians in complex situations, from chronic illnesses to recent diagnosis. My team doesn't just fill out forms, we advocate for you. We work directly with underwriters, build your case and fight to get you the best possible outcome. And let me tell you, it works. Most people think I've got a pre-existing condition. Insurance companies won't even touch me. That's not true. Yes, it's harder and yes, it may cost more, but it's not impossible. And today I'm going to show you how to make it happen. Let me tell you about one of my recent clients. He's a lung cancer survivor, diagnosed and treated in remission for 3 years. Every insurance company he approached turned him away, but we didn't give up. We dug into his full medical history, presented a comprehensive case and worked directly with the underwriters to show he was a low-risk applicant. He was lower risk than what they perceived him to be. Guess what? He got approved. And was it more expensive? Yes. Did it come with conditions and terms? Absolutely. But he's insured and his family is protected. Now let's talk about what I call the deadly trinity of pre-existing conditions. Diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and of course more, but these are considered extremely high risk and almost uninsurable. These are hardest to insure because they come with really high risks. But here's the thing, it's not impossible. Nothing in life really is. Insurers want to see one thing, progress. If you're working on improving your condition, that helps your case immensely. We don't just sit and send in an application and cross our fingers. We act as your advocate. We gather your full medical history, highlight the positive changes you've made, and frame your case in the best possible light. And here's how we make it happen, step by step. The first one, full medical history. It's never the case of not telling the insurer something or hiding the facts. In fact, we do the opposite. We get everything. We get the full information about your conditions, like how it started, when it started, what treatments you've had, how you're managing it now, when the treatment ceased, and everything. The insurers need to see the full picture. That helps them make the fairest assessment. A lot of the times people would just go and tell them, oh, I've had cancer. Of course, that doesn't tell them how long ago you've had it, how are you treating it, how was it treated, how is your health now. Once you give them the full picture, it becomes easier for them to assess it and to also probably show your case in a positive light. The second one, show progress. Whether it's quitting smoking, improving your diet, or sticking to a treatment plan, highlight the steps you're taking to reduce the risk. The third one, relationships with underwriters. This is key. We don't just submit your case in a system, we talk directly to the underwriters, present your story and advocate for you like a lawyer in court. I won't sugarcoat it, but getting life insurance with a pre-existing condition comes with its challenges. For example, it could come with higher costs. Your premiums will likely be more expensive. The second one is exclusions. Some policies may exclude certain conditions from coverage. And the third one, recent diagnosis. If your condition is very newly diagnosed, you might need to wait before applying. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, most people can still get covered. Let's go back to the lung cancer survivor I mentioned earlier. Here's how we turned his no into a yes. First one, we got his oncologist's full reports showing he'd been in remission for 3 years. The second is we highlighted his lifestyle changes. He quit smoking, he started a fitness routine, and that was improving. So we showed the progress he'd had since over a 12 to 24 month period. The third one, we built a detailed case and personally presented it to the underwriters. This wasn't an overnight win, but it worked. He is now insured and has peace of mind for his family. Now you're probably sitting here thinking, that's great, but what can I do now? Well, if you have got a pre-existing condition and want life insurance, here's what you need to do. First step, gather your medical history. Make sure you have the whole detailed records. Speak to your GP if you need to, but you'll be able to get those records from him. The second one, work on your condition. Show insurers that you're reducing your risk. And the third one, talk to an expert. Don't do it alone. Professional can help you navigate the process and advocate on your behalf. This isn't about just getting approved, it's about protecting your family no matter what. Don't let a pre-existing condition stop you from getting life insurance. It's already late. Let's not make it later. There's still hope, and I'm here to help. Book a free strategy call with me today and let's build a plan that works for you and your family.